Hi everyone, my name is Yogesh and I'm working as a software engineer at ServiceNow. In this video, we are going to talk about one trick or one thing that can help you crack Amazon. So the one thing that can help you crack Amazon will be if you can decide or if you can let your interviewer or your recruiter know that you are going to be the best fit for this role. You will be not judged on the basis of your skills or your problem solving skills or your coding skills, but you'll be also judged on the basis of a team player. Because what does it happens, of course you could be a good problem solver, you can ace the online assessment round, you can ace the coding interviews, but you should also be take care of the Amazon principles. That's the one of the thing from where many of the candidates have been rejected because of the Amazon principle, because they are not looking just for a good coder or good problem solver. No, they are looking for a good team player as well. So that's why Amazon principles do play a very important role also. If I talk about the interview perspective, then you should try to think loud whenever you are solving any problem, any question. It doesn't matter that you are able to whether you are able to solve the problem completely or not. No, interviewer just wants to know your thought process. For example, if you are seeing a new problem or if you are trying to solve that particular problem, then what is the approach, what are the way that you are trying to look upon, so if you are on the correct way or not, irrespective of if you are getting the correct answer or not, but the way that you are talking or the process that you are thinking, that is the most important thing. So I think this will be the two things that I think people sometimes mislead, or the communication skill where you are not able to, because sometimes what happens that you know the answer, you know the thing that you will be able, but you don't know how to communicate the thing to the interviewer. That's one hell of a problem. So make sure that you do work on the three things. Actually, this one thing is sum up to three things. First of all, think out loud. Second thing will be communicate well properly, and do ask the questions. There is nothing wrong in asking question with the interviewer. Do ask as many as questions you can. Okay. And then third thing would be Amazon principles, and it is one of the underrated which has led to so many of rejection. So do make sure that before giving out your interviews, you do go through the Amazon principles. So that will be my advice, and you'll surely crack Amazon. Thank you.
Hi there, we hoped you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.